Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get to know to your party destination on the Bash application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this home button down below in the left side corner of the screen and then scroll down and tap on the Get to Know Nashville or the party itinerary that you have selected at the beginning. So click on this button and here you can see the photos, then the cheat sheet, such as information about hotel versus home rental, Bash peak season, experience from parties. Here you can see the most popular things to do in your selected party itinerary. Here you can select or check out the tips to save money when you book, where to stay, where to eat. So here you can find restaurant options and where to shop. You can check out party playlist, party themes, bachelorette games, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.